Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. Equal matrices. Today's topic is equal matrices. Before we start this topic, let me recapitulate last what we have done in the last class. We have done types of matrices. In the very first class, we have seen definition of matrix, very simple definition. An arrangement of elements in the form of rows and columns, enclosed by square bracket or parenthesis. Definition of matrix: an arrangement of elements in the form of rows and columns enclosed by square bracket or parenthesis. Matrices are always denoted by capital letters. We cannot use small letters. The elements of the matrix may be small, maybe numbers, maybe names, maybe alphabets, maybe symbol, maybe name of the city, name of the students of the class, whatever it may be. But it should be denoted with capital letters always. We have seen order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. The number of rows and the columns present in the matrix. Number of rows and columns present in the matrix is called order of the matrix. And last class we have seen types of matrices. Very important. For exam purpose 1 mark, types of matrices is very important. It may appear, definition may appear on 1 mark. We have seen different types of matrices. We have seen row matrix. We have seen row matrix. I'll write in short. We have seen row matrix. A matrix with only one row. A matrix with only one row. How many columns are there? It doesn't matter. But there should be only one row is called row matrix. Column matrix. A matrix with only one column. How many rows? 3 rows. But how many columns? One column. Only one column. Rows 1, 2, 3. Whatever may be the number. Minus 2 supposed to be 31 or 11. First row, second row, third row. But how many columns? Only one. Such matrices are called as column matrix. We have seen square matrix. Very important. Square matrix. Number of rows are equal to number of columns. Number of rows are equal to number of columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. Now see how many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. Very important. Is square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows are equal to number of columns. We have seen diagonal matrix. We have seen diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix in which all the elements are zeros except principal diagonal element. Left top to right bottom. Left top to right bottom. These elements are called as diagonal elements or principal diagonal elements. Only left top to right bottom, not these elements. Only these elements, principal diagonal elements. Except these elements, all the elements are zeros. All the elements are zeros. Such matrices are called as diagonal matrix. We have seen scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix. To be a scalar matrix, what should be diagonal matrix? A diagonal matrix in which principal diagonal elements are same. Principal diagonal elements are same. A diagonal matrix, to be a scalar matrix, it should be a diagonal matrix. We have seen 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 diagonal matrix, scalar matrix. We have seen identical matrix. Identical matrix, a scalar matrix whose diagonal elements are unity. Here the case is only it is present, other are 0. Here the case is other remaining are 0, but remaining those who are present, that should be same. Here not only same, it should be 1 always. Such matrices are called identical matrices or identity matrix. Now I'll write one more example. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. We have seen 0 matrix, 0 0 matrix. All the elements are zeros. All the elements are zeros. Such matrices are called as zero matrices. Now we see equal matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if the orders and the elements. If the orders and the elements are same. If the orders and the elements are same. Two, three, four, five. Matrix B. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2. Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders and the elements should be same. That is equal matrix. Very simple. Same order but elements are not same. Suppose C 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 cross 2. 4, 5, 2, 3. 2 cross 2. Both are having same order, but the elements are different. Here it is 2, here it is 4. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Respective element. But respective element is different here. So these are not equal matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if their elements and the numbers are same. I'll write the definition so you can note it down. Definition I'll write here. Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders and the elements are same. Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders and the elements are same. You can take this as an example. In the next class, we will start exercise 3.1 next class. Exercise 3.1 will be started and inshallah it will be completed because the exercise is not very lengthy. If not possible, we will take 2 classes. We'll try to complete it to the next class. 2 matrices are said to be equal if their orders and the elements are same. Equal matrix A equal to B. Hope everybody has understood this topic. Go through the definitions, go through the examples, so your exercise 3.1 will be easier for you to understand. Thank you everybody.